Starting with how to solve differential equation. There are various methods. We'll be starting with the easiest method, that is called as variable separable form. It is called as variable separable. Okay, let us start. So first one is given as dy by dx equals 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square. Here by default a differential equation will be given. Your task is to keep one variable terms together, means all y terms together, all x terms together. So it is called as variable separable form. Okay, every equation has to be in variable separable form at the end. Okay, so here if you see, I will shuffle the terms here and there so that all y terms come together. So dy like this, dx upon 1 plus x square. The moment all y terms, all x terms are together, all y terms are at one place, all x terms are at one place, I integrate on both sides. What will I do? I will integrate on both sides. So I will get integration like this. Now we are very well known and very much familiar with integration. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square क्या आएगा? Tan inverse y. इसका integration will be tan inverse x. Now since we are applying integration, we have to write constant. That is your choice where you write the constant. Whether you write here or you write here, both places the answer will be correct. Okay. Second one, it is log of dy by dx equals 2x plus 3y. We know that to make this a differential equation, I need to get this log. Log के अंदर dy by dx is not allowed. So what is the base over here? Base is e. Therefore, my dy by dx becomes e raised to 2x plus 3y. Correct? That is, my dy by dx becomes e raised to 2x into e raised to 3y. Now again it has become easy for me to shuffle the terms here and there. So I'll get dy upon e raised to 3y, e raised to 2x dx. Since the terms are shuffled, I'll integrate on both sides. This will go in numerator. So e raised to minus 3y dy, e raised to 2x dx. Again integration. This will become e raised to minus 3y upon minus 3, e raised to 2x upon 2 plus c. Again you can write c anywhere. Okay, this is your final answer. Is it clear? Yes. Now third one, it is y minus x dy by dx equals 0. Y minus x dy by dx equals 0. I'll take advantage of that 0. So my question will become y is equal to x dy by dx. Again I'll shuffle the terms. While shuffling, make sure that dy and dx both are in numerator. So I'll take dx on this side. So dx upon x is equal to dy upon y. Again all terms are on one side of same type, so I can integrate. Okay, so here some special things you have to apply. Let us see. Dx upon x will be log x, dy upon dy will be log y. Whenever every term is of log, if every term is of log, I prefer writing the constant as log c. I will prefer writing the constant as log c again you have freedom, either you write here or you write here. So it becomes log x is equal to log cy, property of log. So log cancel. Therefore, I get x is equal to cy. Understood? I get x is equal to cy. Next, my favorite sum and even favorite sum of the examiner for all streams like CBSE, ICSC, HSC. It is sec square x tan y dx plus sec square y tan x dy is equal to 0. Again, I'll take advantage of this 0. So my question becomes sec square x tan y dx minus sec square y tan x dy. Now, we'll shuffle the terms here and there. So what will I get? Sec square x upon tan x dx. Here, sec square y upon tan y dy. Since all terms are correctly placed at their places, so I can integrate. Now see, इसी का डेरिवेटिव ऊपर है, डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव is present in numerator. So what answer we get? Remember, log of denominator f dash x upon f of x. इंटीग्रेशन क्या आता है? Log f of x minus. Same here. So it will be log tan y. Since both terms are of log, so I'll prefer writing log c. आया समझ में? Minus will go on left side. So I'll get log of tan x into tan y is equal to log c. Therefore, I can say tan x into tan y is equal to c. What will I get? Tan x into tan y is equal to c. Are you getting it? Yes. Some children. Fifth one I have seen. Cos x cos y dy minus sin x sin y dx equal to 0. Again, I'll take advantage of this 0. So I get cos x cos y dy is equal to sin x sin y dx. As usual, I'll shuffle the terms. So cos y, sin y will come down, dy, and this will become sin x upon cos x dx. Now all are at proper place, so I'll integrate them. Again, denominator का derivative is present in numerator, denominator का derivative is present in numerator. So this will become log of denominator. Now I should have minus sign over here. ये cos का derivative minus sign है. So I will get equal to minus log of cos x. Again, both terms are log, so my constant should be log c. Therefore, log of sin y plus log of cos x is equal to log c. Therefore, I get c as sin y cos x. This is my answer. Okay. Now, next one, that is sixth one. It is very simple. dy by dx equals minus k, and they have said that k is a constant, so this becomes dy equal to minus k dx. So directly I'll integrate here. dy का इंटीग्रेशन y माइनस के कांस्टेंट है, dx का इंटीग्रेशन x प्लस c. ओके, वेरी सिंपल सम. Next, seventh one. it is cos square y dx upon x plus cos square x upon y dy is equal to 0. Again there is a 0. I'll take advantage. So cos square y upon x dx is equal to minus cos square x upon y dy. Again shuffle terms. So cos square x नीचे आएगा. So dx upon x cos square x is equal to minus dy upon y cos square y. I'll write 1 upon cos square x as sec square x. So हो जाएगा sec square x upon x dx, and this will become same minus sec square y upon y dy. Now I'll integrate. So if I integrate, what will I get and how will I integrate? I think we have to apply UV rule for this. Question is correct. Yeah, I'll apply UV rule. So ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक है, ये अरिथमेटिक है. 1 upon x का है अरिथमेटिक. So a पहले आता है, t बाद में आता है. तो 1 upon x will be u and sec square x will be v. तो क्या आएगा? u integration of v minus integration of derivative of u into integration of sec square x dx whole dx. This part you will try on own by looking at the same part. So हो जाएगा tan x upon x. क्या हो जाएगा? tan x upon x minus 1 upon x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x square sec square x का tan x dx. Correct? Tan x upon x plus 1 upon x square tan x. I think something is wrong. Children, seventh one, it is cos square y upon x dy plus cos square x upon y dx equals 0. I'll take advantage of this 0, so I get cos square y upon x dy is equal to minus, correct? I'll shuffle the terms here and there, so I'll get y cos square y dy is equal to minus x cos square x dx. Now I'll integrate this. This is arithmetic, this is trigonometric. I'll apply integration by parts. So I'll get, okay, before applying integration by parts, we know that we cannot integrate cos square x and cos square y. So I need to write this as y times 1 plus cos 2y upon 2 dy. Similarly minus, this is written as 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 dx. Okay, so 2 to cancel. Now ये arithmetic और ये trigonometric. I'll apply UV rule. So I'll get, this will be u, this will be v. So y times integration of 1 plus cos 2y dy minus integration of derivative of y into integration of 1 plus cos 2y dy is equal to minus. I'm purposely writing this as it is because things are same. I'll write for left side and I'll replace everything by every y by x for that part. Correct? So हो जाएगा y times 1 का इंटीग्रेशन y cos 2y का इंटीग्रेशन sin 2y upon 2 माइनस इसका इंटीग्रेशन 1 और इसका इंटीग्रेशन y प्लस sin 2y upon 2 dy. Correct? Similarly, I can copy everything from left side. क्या आएगा? x plus sin 2x upon 2 minus minus integration x plus sin 2x upon 2 dx, है ना? Let us solve this now. So it will become y square plus y by 2 sin 2y, y का इंटीग्रेशन y square by 2 minus sin 2y का minus cos 2y, so it becomes plus cos 2y upon 4 is equal to, this becomes x square minus x by 2 sin 2x, ये माइनस माइनस will become plus, x का इंटीग्रेशन x square by 2 sin 2x का minus cos 2x upon 4 plus c. Now arrange the terms here and there and simplify your answer. Okay. Next, that is 8th one. It is y cube minus dy by dx is equal to x square dy by dx. We cannot have 2 dy by dx together, so I will take common. So it becomes x square dy by dx plus dy by dx, that is y cube is equal to x square plus 1 dy by dx. I'll shuffle the terms here and there. क्या मिलेगा? dx upon x square plus 1 dy upon y cube. I'll integrate both of them. इसका इंटीग्रेशन I know, that is tan inverse x. 1 upon y cube क्या हो जाएगा? It will go up, y raised to minus 3, so हो जाएगा minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. ठीक है? Take this in denominator, minus on right left side, you can simplify it. Okay? The 9th one, this 2 e raised to x plus 2y dx minus 3 dy equal to 0. Okay? Again I'll take advantage of this 0. क्या आएगा? 2, I'll open this also, e raised to x into e raised to 2y dx 3 dy. The 2y will bring down, 3 I will bring here, so 2 upon 3 e raised to x dx, और ये if it goes here minus 2y dy. So let's integrate. So 2 by 3 e raised to x का e raised to x, e raised to minus 2y upon minus 2 plus c. Okay, clear? Now 10th one you will try on your own.